If this was my building, what would I do? That is the question we ask ourselves when approaching any new project. We are Long Building Technologies. As a systems integrator, we engineer, secure, service, and automate systems in commercial buildings. Our expertise in relationships within a variety of industries provides you with unique and holistic solutions that meet your building's specific needs. Let's begin with HVAC equipment. Along with the ability to heat or cool the environment, your building requires filtration, ventilation, humidification, and more. Our well-rounded representation of over 120 industry-leading manufacturers enables us to provide you with an extensive equipment offering, giving us endless options to create a custom solution that fits your project, timeline, and budget. When your HVAC equipment needs immediate or proactive attention, this is where our HVAC service team comes in. We offer maintenance, repairs, upgrades, and preventative services on both aging and newer systems. A long-term relationship with our service team gives you a partner that listens to your issues now and your needs for the future. Now, for the brain of the building, building automation. These are the building controls that integrate with all your systems. Our building automation team can deliver preventative strategies, analytics, and multiple product lines that help ensure everything in your building is compatible, working efficiently, and doing the thinking for you. It's more than a simple thermostat. Building automation provides a bigger picture of your building, so you can see what is functioning efficiently and what isn't. Keeping your building working properly isn't the only day-to-day issue on your mind. Ensuring your building occupants are safe is equally as important. Our security solutions team will help make your building safe. We develop, install, and service security systems unique to your specific building. We offer a broad product line of security technologies, such as access control, CCTV and video management services, and intrusion detection systems that are cost-effective and user-friendly. Finally, our knowledgeable parts team is experienced with many different systems and understands the urgency when parts break. While building technology continues to advance, your system may not. Our parts team has access to OEM, specialty, and legacy parts stocked in our warehouse for you to pick up or available for you to access online for same-day shipping. Our team members care about the people inside your building, so we keep safety as our top priority throughout every project, and we treat your building as if it were our own. We take the time to listen to your wants and needs, and we focus on building a relationship that will last beyond the project, so we can be of help whenever it may be needed. So, if this was your building, what would you do? Contact Long today for a partner that will deliver the right solutions for your building. www.long.com